Amazing Grace is another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Yay!
Amazing Grace is
Another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story.
Yay! Amazing Grace is
Another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story.
Yay!
Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest collection of fast food toys. Yeah, baby! And so I'm here once again to tell you another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's Fast Food Toy Story, and boy have I got a toy for you today. So our fast food toy story for today is from Burger King once again, and these are actually miniature versions of some of the well-loved Sassy toys. Okay, ta-da! Look at this! This is Sassy, and so you can see at the bottom there is the insignia or the logo of Sassy. As we all know, Sassy Incorporation is actually the producers of all of these developmental toys, targeted most probably for the youth, the infant stage, and they're coming up with really safe toys which are beneficial to actually develop the infant during the infancy stage, of course. And I suppose this particular toy is one of the most best seller from among the Sassy toys. Okay, well, why wouldn't they sell? They're so cute. Look at them. Okay, they actually look like minions. So prior to the minions, these guys from Sassy have already existed as one of the line of toys from the Sassy. Okay, and then look at the toy. Isn't it great? They absolutely look like minions. Okay, but with the red, except for the red cap. Okay, they're so smiling. They're playing with this very colorful plane with polka dots on the wings and some piano-like designs. And the toy, if you observe, doesn't have a lot of sharp edges, so that the kids, especially those who are in the infant stage, probably 1 year old, can be sure that they are safe while playing with this particular Sassy toy. Okay, now as you push one of this minion-like character, they actually make sounds like that. Okay, and it also does with the other ones. So. You can actually use it as a musical instrument while singing. Can we do a minion song? Wait, I don't know. This is so... Wow, this is so entertaining. I think, especially when you're bored, when you're waiting for someone, you can actually play around with this particular Sassy toy, and the kids will definitely be entertained and be preoccupied so as not to make some tantrums while waiting for a long time. Okay, so this is so great. I just don't know what year. I was trying to figure out as to when they were actually released, but apparently it doesn't state that in this particular toy. Well, anyway, this is a great toy from Burger King. A wonderful addition to my Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. And obviously it's not released here in the Philippines, and I think I got it from the United States, Burger King in the United States. So this is so awesome. Wow. Okay, now I must say, this is just an amazing grace. So once again guys, let's try to be thankful for every amazing grace that come to our lives, be they in the form of these Sassy toys from Burger King, or also be thankful for all those memorable toys from way back when we were still infants, when we were still toddlers. I remember the time when I have a stroller which has all these dangling toys, and even as an infant I still vividly remember that I do have a stroller with all those fancy toys. I don't think it's from Sassy, but it was a wonderful toy. I think it looks very nifty. I felt really, I feel really great being strolled around with that fancy stroller. I felt like the king of the hill with all these stacking toys. Okay, so wonderful. And yeah, all of us probably have those special toys. And even if we're still toddlers back then, I don't know why, for some reason we still remember that. I remember being, I don't know, being strolled around with that stroller. Yeah, in a very small road and in the patio. I just love it. It's wonderful. I had a great feeling. It's wonderful traveling with your mom. You feel safe, and then but with all the toys dangling and making your first view of the earth so much more fascinating, colorful. Or basically, guys, let's be thankful for every amazing grace, be they small or big, be they seemingly insignificant or the truly eventful ones, or just about every amazing grace that make our lives a lot more happy and jolly. And thank you so much, you guys, for always tuning in to Percy's Fast with Toy Story. And thank you for our new subscribers. And I hope to see you again with our next Percy's Fast with Toy Story. So until then, okay, bye-bye.